Visual communication is the use of visual and other design elements to communicate key ideas and information to people. It's really about creating the world in the best possible way it can be.
I would describe visual communication in the same umbrella as graphic design, and both of those things to me refer to taking information and emotions and sort of compiling them together into a sort of visual narrative which conveys a purpose or a message.
It extends into digital communication, so that also is websites and it's branding and it's identity, it's everything that you see around you.
If I had to sum it up with one word, it would be diverse. For me personally, I want to take information and emotions, I want to weave it together and I want to make something of it.
There's a really exciting evolution that occurs in the degree. We start off by learning all the core design principles that can be applied in a whole lot of different design contexts. We look at how to create innovative and really attention-grabbing branding. We're looking at illustration, we're looking at typography, we do motion design, we look at data visualization.
No one unit was like another, and it was amazing. You got to explore each different niche, and I think that's really beneficial for younger creatives because you get to figure out which niche you thrive in and which you prefer.
People are always collaborating with different designers. That's very much something that happens in the real world of design.
You obviously acquire a variety of skills, but the most tangible and practical of them would be working with the software.
So that's Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, InDesign, After Effects, and then some Premiere Pro. Another thing that I've learned recently this year is Figma for user interface design.
It was amazing to sort of work and get better at them and learn and see my growth with those programs.
In the final year of our batch of units, you get to develop a signature work. It's a major project essentially for the grad show, the showcase of your work to potential employers to show the strengths of your design. The design festivals are a really exciting opportunity for everyone within the faculty to come together and celebrate the fact that we have these visual communication students that are now ready to face the real world and launch their career.
The work that I showcased at the Design Festival had been an accumulation of design research from my final semester of design and created a video series of contemporary artworks. It's quite an abstract piece of work, and so I've decided to put it up in places like the Sphere at QUT, the Data Wall.
My capstone project is called Hide and Seek, and it's essentially a brand identity crossover with a social campaign. It crosses over with physical and digital touch points, so it has a comic series, it has a digital interface and hub, as well as a collection of branded merchandise. Tutors throughout my design degree have been very diverse, same as the course itself, but the benefit of a good tutor is like no other. It is really, really beneficial to pick their brains and allow them to feed into your creative journey as well.
Through my course of the Bachelor of Design, I was really able to develop some really key industry contacts that I will carry with me through the rest of my career. Specifically, when we were doing the final collaborative design courses, it was really preparing us for how we were going to exit the university, what we were going to do after university, and how to get a portfolio together.
In terms of career outcomes, there's so many different directions students can go. They might be working for a design studio, or they might be setting up their own design studio themselves. We also find that there's a lot of roles for visual communicators in particular industries such as education and health that have in-house designers. So rather than just working in a design studio context, they're working for blue chip organisations as an internal designer. And you're covering off all aspects of their design and branding and marketing within the art department. It's a field that is ever changing, and what's really exciting about the field is it just continues to grow and sort of morph into new areas of specialisation, which a lot of our students are doing.